Okay, all right. Give me 3. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boone County in central Indiana, Hamilton County in central Indiana, Hancock County in central Indiana, Hendricks County in central Indiana, Johnson County in central Indiana, Marion County in central Indiana, Norton County in central Indiana, Shelby County in central Indiana, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service operator indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing any size hail and damaging lines in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located near Brownsburg, or about 3 miles west of Pittsburgh, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Carmel, Fishers, Havana, and Paragon. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging lines, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building but away from windows.
So